Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Brilliant JE Aspirants. Please subscribe my channel. Let us learn geometric mean from geometric progression. GM. Geometric mean, now we can define it this one. If three terms are in geometric progression, GP, then the middle term is called the geometric mean. Between other two. So, if A comma B comma C are in geometric progression, then B is the geometric mean, GM, geometric mean of A and C, A and C. Geometric mean shortly written as GM. In particular, let A and B be two numbers and capital G be the geometric mean, GM, between them. Then A comma capital G comma B are in geometric progression. Here G is equal to square root of AB. Geometric mean is equal to square root of AB. A greater than 0, and b greater than also 0. Based on this condition, geometric mean is equal to square root of a into b. Note point for this. First one note point. If a is less than 0, comma b is less than 0, then geometric mean g is equal to minus square root of ab. When it is possible, suppose a is less than 0, b is less than 0, both less than 0, geometric mean is minus into square root of ab. And second one, if a is less than 0, b is greater than 0, or a is greater than 0, comma b is less than 0, then geometric mean gm between them a and b does not exist, does not exist. Listen to me here. The first one note point, if a is less than 0, b is less than 0, both a is less than 0, b is less than 0, then it is possible geometric mean is equal to minus of square root of ab. And second one, suppose a is less than 0, b is greater than 0, or a is greater than 0, b is less than 0, the geometric mean between them a and b is does not exist. E and b does not exist. So these two are the note points of this geometric mean. Now, according to this note point, now some examples are given for this geometric mean that is going on. Examples. The first one example. First one, geometric mean gm mean between four and 9 is geometric mean is equal to square root of 4 into 9 is equal to square root of 36 is equal becomes 6. So geometric mean between 4 and 9 is 6. And similarly, second one example, geometric mean between -4 and +9 is g is equal to, geometric mean is equal to square root of -4 into 9 is equal to 4 9 ja 36 minus 36 square root of minus 36. Square root of minus 36. Square root of minus 36 can be written as like this. square root of minus 1 into root of AB is equal to root A into root B, square root of 36. So square root of minus 1 value is I. Since from the complex numbers iota square is equal to minus 1, iota is equal to square root of minus 1. From this concept it becomes I 6i. Square root of minus 1 is equal to I. Square root of 36 is equal to 6. So it becomes 6i. So therefore it does not exist. Doesn't exist. This is the second example of geometric mean between 4 and 9 is 6i. So I is the iota. Iota square is equal to minus 1. Iota is equal to square root of minus 1. Based on this here, in place of square root of minus 1, iota taken. So iota into square root of 36 is equal to 6. Iota into 6 is equal to 6 into I. So it is does not exist. Example 3. Geometric mean between minus 4 and minus 9 is G is equal to square root of minus 4 into minus 9. This is equal to, here square root of minus 4 into minus 9. So minus 4 minus whole square into 4 into 9. Why? Because here minus and minus, both minus are there. So minus square here. 4 into 9. This is equal to square root of minus square into square root of 36, 4th 9 is equal to, so here minus whole square whole to the power of 1 by 2. Square root of minus whole square becomes minus whole square to the power of 1 by 2. So square root of 36 is equal to 6 square. 6 square is equal to, here 2 both are cancelled. Only minus 1 whole to the power of 1. So minus, only minus left over minus here. Square root of 36 is equal to 6. 6. Therefore, the geometric mean of this example is G is equal to minus 6. Now, insert small n geometric mean between two numbers. Insert small n geometric mean between two numbers. That is going on now. Let A and B be two given numbers. And G1, G2, G3, G4 and so on, Gn or geometric or n geometric mean or n geometric mean n geometric means between them, then A comma G1 comma G2 comma G3 comma G4 comma and so on, Gn comma and so on, Gn comma B. So A and B be the two given numbers, and G1, G2, G3, G4 and so on, Gn. These are n geometric means between A and B. They are A, G1, G2, G3, G4, G5, G6 and so on, Gn terms between A and B. A, G1, G2, G3, G4 and so on. All these are the geometric means inserted in between A and B. So, in between A and B, A1, A, comma, G1, comma, G2, comma, G3, comma, G4, G5, G6 and so on, Gn, comma, B. Now, this B is equal to n plus 2 th term. That means A into r to the power of n plus 2 minus 1. Why? Because since we know that nth term is equal to Tn is equal to A into r to the power of n minus 1. But here n is equal to n plus 2. Here n is equal to n plus 2. So, in place of n, we are substituting n plus 2. So, A into r n minus 1 becomes here A into r to the power of n plus 2 minus 1 implies B is equal to A into r to the power of n plus 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, 1. So, n plus 1. A into r to the power of n plus 1. B is equal to A into r to the power of n plus 1. Now, only we need r to the power of n plus 1. R to the power of n plus 1 is equal to B by A. Transposing A to the left side, it becomes division, denominator, B by A. Now we need to find the R only, common ratio. This R is equal to B by A whole to the power of 1 by n plus 1. Where here this R is the common ratio. Since we know that from the earlier classes, a to the power of n is equal to b. Only r is equal to b to the power of n. Since like this, since a to the power of n is equal to b, only we need a. A is equal to b to the power of 1 by n. Based on this concept, it becomes common ratio is equal to b by a whole to the power of 1 by n plus 1. Here r is the common factor, where r is equal to common ratio. Therefore, common ratio r is equal to b by a whole to the power of 1 by n plus 1. This is the common ratio value, b by a whole to the power of 1 by n plus 1. Now we have to find the g1, g2, g3, g4 and so on terms are there in between the two numbers a and b. Those numbers we are going to find now. That is going on now. Listen to me. Therefore, g1 is equal to g1 is equal to, here a is the first term, g1 is the second term, g3 is the third term, g3 is the fourth term, g4 is the fifth term and so on and so on. Gnth term, last one is bth term, last term b, last term is here b. So g1 is equal to a into r. This is the second one here. Second one. So nth term of the second term is ar, a into r. g1 is equal to a into r is equal to, here a into r is equal to common ratio is equal to b by a whole to the power of n plus 1. b by a whole to the power of n 1 by n plus 1. This is the g1. Next, similarly g2 is equal to g2. First term, second term, third term. G2 is equal to third term here. Third term is in the geometric progression is ar square. ar square, ar to the power of 4, ar to the power of 5 and so on and so on. ar to the power of n minus 1, gn. A last term, that b is the last term. So, g2 is equal to ar square is equal to a of a into b by a whole to the power of 1 by n plus 1 r square. This is r value, r square value, this one. So this is equal to a into b by a whole to the power of, here a to the power of m to the power of n, that is equal to a to the power of mn. So b by a whole to the power of 2 by n plus 1, 2 by n plus 1, 2 by n plus 1 here. This is the g2. g2 is equal to b by a whole to the power of 2 by n plus 1. And similarly g3. g3 is equal to, g3 is the ar cube. g3 is ar cube. ar cube here. g3 is the ar cube. This is the third term in the geometric progression g3. g3 is in between a and b is the third one. So the nth term of g3 is a into r cube. So a of common ratio r is equal to b by a whole to the power of 1 by n plus 1 whole cube it becomes also a to the power of m whole to the power of n becomes a to the power of mn. So a of b by a whole to the power of 3 by n plus 1. 3 by n plus 1. And next one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, and so on, and so on, and so on. Nth term is there, that is and so on, and so on. Gn, nth term Gn is equal to a into r to the power of n is equal to a of b by a whole to the power of 1 by n plus 1 whole to the power of n is equal to a into b by a whole to the power of a to the power of m to the power of n. It becomes a to the power of mn. So b by a whole to the power of n by n plus 1. n by n plus 1. n by n plus 1. This is the Gn term. Gn term is equal to a of b by a whole to the power of n by n plus 1. Therefore Gn is equal to a of b by a whole to the power of n by n plus 1. This is the insert small n geometric mean between two numbers result. That is Gn is equal to a of b by a whole to the power of n by n plus 1. In between two numbers we can insert number of terms. That is G1, G2, G3, G4, G5, G6, G7 and so on and so on up to Gn terms. Up to Gn terms we have to insert in between two given numbers. Whatever the two numbers given a and b, in between we have to insert the number of geometric means between two numbers. That concept formula is Gn is equal to a of b by a whole to the power of n plus 1. By using this one we can insert number of terms in between two given numbers. So in geometric progression, like arithmetic progression, in arithmetic progressions already learnt like this. Now we are just learnt geometric mean. In geometric mean, insert the geometric n small n geometric mean between two numbers learnt. That is Gn is equal to a of b by a whole to the power of n by n plus 1. Now problem based on this, insert small n geometric mean between two numbers. Based on this, now we are going to do the problem that is going on. Insert five geometric means between 3 and 192. Insert 5 geometric means between 3 and 192. That is going on now. Solution as follows. Based on this concept, insert small and geometric mean between two numbers. Here we are given two numbers 3 and 192. We have to insert the 5 geometric means in between 3 and 192. Let G1, G2, G3, G4, G5 be geometric means between 3 and 192. That is 3 comma G1, G2, G3, G4, G5, 192. In between 3 and 192, we have to insert 5 geometric means. They are G1, G2, G3, G4, G5. Here in this we are given first term A is equal to 3. First term T1 is equal to A is equal to 3. And seventh term is equal to 192. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Seventh term is also given for us. T7 is equal to 192. So that means here this is the B. This is the B. Last term seventh one 192 is the B. A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 192 given. And number of insertion is 5. N is equal to 5. N is equal to 5 is given. So now first of all we have to find the common ratio of these terms. First of all, common ratio. The common ratio of small n geometric mean between two numbers already known by us. That formula is R is equal to B by A whole to the power of 1 by n plus 1. Here B is equal to 5, A is equal to 3, B is equal to 192, sorry, N is equal to 5, number of insertion is 5, B is equal to 192 and A is equal to 3. So B by A 192 by 3, 192 by 3. Whole to the power of 1 by number of insertion 5, n is equal to 5, n plus 1, 5 plus 1. So here 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18, 3 4s are 12. It becomes 64 whole to the power of 5 plus 1 6, 1 by 6. 64 is multiples of 6 multiples. So that is 2 to the power of 6. 2 to the power of 6 whole to the power of 1 by 6. Here both 6 and 6 are cancelled here. This is equal to 2. Therefore common ratio R is equal to 2. Now we have to find the given geometric means in between 3 and 192. 5 geometric means. The first one is G1, second one is G2, third one is G3, fourth one is G4, fifth one is G5. Now first of all G1. G1 is equal to A into R. AR. The first term is A and G1 is second term among between two given numbers. So G1 is equal to AR. A value is 3. R is equal to common ratio is just got 2. Is 3 2 is 6. And similarly G2 is equal to A into R square is equal to 3 into 2 square is equal to 3 into 4 is equal to 12. G3 is equal to A into R cube is equal to 3 into 2 to 2 cube is equal to 3 into 8. 3 8 is 24. G4 is equal to A into R to the power of 4 is equal to 3 into 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 3 into 16. 2 to the power of 4 becomes 16. So 16 3 is 48. And G5, last one is G5. G5 is equal to A into R to the power of 5. So that is equal to 3 into 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 3 into 32. 3 into 32 it becomes 96. 32 3 is 96. Therefore required geometric means are 6, 12, 24, 48, 96. 6, 12, 24, 48 and 96. This is the required geometric means in between given the numbers. This is answer.